Welcome to JH. If you're curious about AppFlowy, here's a quick guide to help you understand this workspace without wasting your entire afternoon. It uses a simple sidebar and canvas structure that's clean, minimal, and remarkably easy to navigate. Everything works in a block-based format. Just press a key to pull up text, headings, or tables. It's basically Notion's open-source twin, perfect for those who want the aesthetic without the corporate baggage. You get Kanban boards and calendars for project management, which is great for students and teams who enjoy moving digital cards around to feel like they're actually getting work done. The app even supports AI features, provided you connect your own OpenAI API key. Because let's be honest, we've reached a point where we can't even write a to-do list without a robot holding our hand. For the aesthetic crowd, you can switch between light and dark modes, choose accent colors, and customize keyboard shortcuts to make the app feel like home. The real selling point here is the local-first privacy. Your data is stored on your machine by default, giving you full ownership. It's the perfect setup for anyone who trusts the big cloud providers about as much as a gas station sushi platter. Looking at the feedback, the pros are clear. It's uncluttered, open source, and gives you total data control. On the flip side, linking elements is a bit limited compared to Notion, and the collaboration tools are still in their awkward teenage phase. Also, don't expect the Markdown support to be perfect. Links won't just magically auto-convert themselves. To get started, just download it for your OS of choice, pick your storage location, and decide if you want to go fully offline or use their cloud. The free cloud version supports 2 members, but you can always self-host if you actually enjoy reading technical documentation for fun. If you want a clean alternative that doesn't harvest your data, AppFlowy is definitely worth a look.